Hello guys, we are back again with a new video. In this video, we'll do the walk around review of the Xpulse 200 bs6 version, and without wasting time, let's start the video. Yeah. In this bike, you will get the 5 color options: red, black, white, matte, green and grey. This is a off-road category bike. Actually, while riding this bike, you will get a different feeling. This Xpulse 200 is a adventure tourer motorcycle. If you are looking for a bike that fits for both off-roading and daily commuting, because it has a high ground clearance, you can easily ride on Indian roads with decent efficiency and better off-road capabilities. And here at the front, it gets a high-rise mudguard for purpose of off-roading. And here at the front it gets a 90 mm and 21-inch tubeless tire with spoke wheels. These tires are made for dual purpose for both off-road and on-road use. At the front it gets a telescopic suspension of 37 mm and it has a suspension travel of 190 mm, and it also gets 4 gaiters for protection from the dust while off-roading. And here at the front wheel it gets a 275 mm of disc plate with the Nissan brake calipers, and it also equipped with a single channel ABS system. The ABS is only available for the front wheel, and it's lightest off-road motorcycle which weighs around 157 kg as compared to other off-road motorcycle. The front headlight is full LED unit with the LED DRLs on it. The focus of this light is not that great on this bike. Here it comes the heart of the machine. It has a fuel injected 199.6cc bs6 single cylinder engine which has a liquid and air cooled, which produces the power around 17.8 bhp at 8500 rpm and 16.45 newton meter of torque at 6500 rpm. It has equipped with a 5-speed gearbox. It's a BS6 engine, so the catalytic converter is placed over here, and it gets the off-road bash plate for better off-roading. The ground clearance is around 220 mm, and it has a 2-valve engine. The new one updated has a 4-valve. It produces 1 bhp more. The liquid coolant system is placed over here, and it also gets the crash guards on the both the side. It has a off-road designed foot pegs which has a spikes on it. You can remove the rubber for more gripping while you are off-roading. Here at the rear it gets a LED tail light unit. The rear tire is 18-inch 120 mm spoke wheels, and the mudguard is placed over here with the indicators on it. The silencer is placed uprighted below the seat. Here at the rear it gets a box section swing arm and Nissan brake calipers with 220 mm disc plate, and the exhaust is covered by a plate for the protection. The grab rail is wide enough as compared to the other bikes. It kind of third seat, you can easily mount the luggage on it. As this side of the motorcycle it gets a sari guard and the tire hugger is missing out, although it doesn't comes for the off-road motorcycle. The tail TD is long and wide enough as you can easily remove it if you wanted to do so. Here at the rear it gets a 10-step adjustable monoshock suspension, and the seat height is around 823 mm. It's a single seat, and the USB charging socket is placed below the seat. The mileage of this bike is around 40 kmpl, and it has a 13 liters of tank carrying capacity. The handlebar is positioned uprighted and wide enough. It comes with the installed handguards and visor. This bike has a lots of plastic parts, hence it is lightweight and easy to control. It has a full swipe digital instrument cluster. It shows the odometer, tachometer, gauge position indicator, time, trip meter, fuel gauge and side stand indicator. By these two buttons you can also browse through the meter. You can connect your phone through the Bluetooth. It shows the navigation and caller identity also viewed on the screen. It has only one mode on this bike, that's the eco mode. If you are riding this bike on eco mode, That means it shows that when to upshift the gear and when to downshift the gear to achieve the better mileage. The main disadvantages of this bike is the bike is so underpowered. It has a power of 160 cc as compared to the other 200 cc motorcycle. The power is very less. The ex-showroom price of this bike is around 1,23,000, and the new model which has a 4-valve technology, it has a price of 1,28,000 ex-showroom. It comes with an additional rally kit which cost you around 35,000 more.